This digital product has made at least $8,000. You can make something like this in less than 10 minutes. In this video, I'll show you how. I'll also show you other easy digital products that can make you unlimited passive income. If you want an even deeper, more detailed blueprint with expert advice on how to sell your digital products to hundreds of thousands of people, click the link in the description. This will give you access to all the information you'll ever need, masterclasses, and advice from successful sellers who are making at least 6 figures a year from their digital products. Digital Product 1. Let's start with a type of digital product that's wildly popular and surprisingly easy to create. Printables. If you're not familiar, printables are digital files people download and print at home. Think about it. Things like calendars, worksheets, habit trackers, and even wall art. They're all printables. People love them because they're practical, affordable, and instantly accessible. Now, out of all the printables, there's one category that's not only easy to create, but also highly profitable: printable wall art. These are digital designs people can print out and frame to decorate their homes. It's huge on platforms like Etsy. Just search for printable art on Etsy, and you'll see what I mean. There are thousands of listings, and the top sellers are making serious money. Here's the thought process behind creating this. You want to design something simple, visually appealing, and versatile. Something that fits into popular decor styles like boho, farmhouse, minimalist, or modern. You don't need to reinvent the wheel here. Go on Pinterest or Etsy and take note of the trends. What kinds of quotes, colors, and designs are popping up over and over? That's your starting point. Now, how do you create this without any design experience? The answer is Canva. If you've never heard of Canva, it's a free, beginner-friendly design tool that makes this process super simple. You don't need Photoshop or fancy software. Canva has all the templates, fonts, and elements you'll need. Once you're in Canva, start by creating a new design. Set the size to 8 by 10 inches. That's a standard size for printable wall art. From there, think about the style you want to create. Let's say you're going for a kitchen theme. You could search for graphics like lemons, herbs, or coffee cups in Canva's Elements library. They've got free elements, so you can stick to those to avoid spending extra money up front. If you want premium art and features, then you can sign up for a free Canva trial using the link in the description. Next, add some text. We can add a simple quote like, "When life gives you lemons, choose a font that fits the style." Maybe a handwritten font for something casual, or a bold serif font for a more classic look. Canva lets you customize everything: size, color, spacing, and even effects like shadows or outlines to make your text pop. Here's where you can get creative. To make it more interesting, you can layer different elements. Maybe you add a watercolor paint splatter behind the text for some texture, or adjust the transparency of certain elements to give your design more depth. This isn't about overcomplicating it. Less is usually more with these designs, but small details can make your work stand out. Once your design is done, save it as a high-quality file. JPEG is great for wall art, but you can also offer PDFs if people want to print them at higher resolutions. To make your product more appealing, you could create a bundle. Offer the same design in multiple sizes, like 8 by 10, 11 by 14, and 16 by 20 inches. Bundles usually sell better because they give buyers flexibility. Digital Product 2. Now let's talk about social media templates. This is another highly profitable digital product that's in massive demand. Businesses, influencers, and even everyday users need social media content, and they want it to look good without spending hours designing it themselves. That's where you come in. The idea here is to create editable templates for platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook. These are pre-designed posts or graphics that your customers can customize with their own text, images, and branding. Think of it as doing 90% of the work for them, while they just tweak the final 10%. Again, Canva makes this process simple. Start with a preset size, like a 1080 by 1080 square for Instagram posts. From there, you can design graphics that are niche specific. For example, let's say you're targeting small business owners. You could create a pack of Instagram templates for promoting sales, sharing tips, or announcing new products. When you're creating templates, think about usability. For example, you might add placeholders that say things like "add your logo here" or "insert your website here" to guide your buyers. Use clean, modern fonts and stick to a consistent color scheme. Many businesses have brand colors, so offering editable colors is a huge selling point. If you're stuck for ideas, use tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm content themes. For example, you could ask it to generate 10 Instagram caption ideas for a yoga instructor, and then create templates based on those themes. Once your design is done, instead of saving it as an image, you'll generate a shareable Canva link. This allows your customers to access and edit the template directly in their own Canva accounts. Click on Share, and then click on Template Link. To share this link with customers, you can create a simple PDF file called a README file that contains the Canva link along with instructions on how to edit the template. You can also include a support email in case they have questions. Digital Product 3. The last type of digital product we'll cover today is invitation templates. This might surprise you, but invitations are one of the most searched for products in the digital marketplace. Think about it. Every event, from weddings to birthdays, needs invitations. And with the rise of DIY culture, people love having the option to customize and print their own. Let's take kids' birthday invitations as an example. These are fun, creative, and always in demand. The process is similar to what we've already covered. Start by setting a custom size in Canva. 5 by 7 inches is a standard invitation size. When it comes to design, think about what kids love. Unicorns, dinosaurs, superheroes. These are themes that match children-related audiences. Canva even has an AI tool called Magic Media that can generate unique images based on your description. Let's say you want a unicorn. Click on Elements, and then under AI Image Generator, click on Generate Your Own. Then, describe what you want to create. Pick a style like playful. Then, click on Generate Image. Magic Media will create something custom for you that you can drag and drop onto your design. From there, add placeholders for the event details, like name, date, time, and location. Use playful fonts and bright colors to match the theme. Once you're happy with the design, just like with the social media templates, generate a shareable Canva link and deliver it via a README PDF. The beauty of invitation templates is that you can create multiple versions. For example, you could make one unicorn invitation in pink, one in blue, and one in rainbow colors. Then, list each variation as a separate product, or bundle them together for a higher price. So, to recap, we've covered 3 types of digital products you can start creating today: printable wall art, social media templates, and invitation templates like children's birthday invitations. Each one is simple, beginner-friendly, and in demand. And remember, the key to standing out is understanding your audience. What do they need? What styles or trends are they drawn to? The more you tailor your products to their preferences, the better they'll sell. Selling these products is just as easy as creating them. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website are great places to start. And once you've uploaded your products, they can keep selling over and over again without any extra work. That's the power of passive income. If you have any questions about how to sell and create digital products, or if you want to learn more specific hacks, click the link in the description to join our free Wealthy Club School community. Inside, we share exclusive tips and updates on making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's completely free, and you'll be surrounded by people who are also making money online like you. So check that out. Which of these digital product ideas are you thinking of making and selling? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.